English prepositions. Up,
Up.
the balloon floated up into the sky. Down,
Down.
the leaves fell down from the tree. In,
In.
the cat is in the box. Out,
Out.
the cat jumped out of the box. Left,
Left.
turn left at the traffic light. Right,
Right.
the bank is on your right. Forward,
Forward.
please step forward and show your ticket. Backward,
Backward.
he took a step backward when he saw the snake. On,
On.
the book is on the table. At,
At.
I'll meet you at the bus stop. Above,
Above.
the picture hangs above the fireplace. Below,
Below.
the temperature dropped below zero last night. Over,
Over.
a bridge goes over the river. Under,
Under.
the cat is sleeping under the table. Behind,
Behind.
the car is parked behind the house. In front of,
In front of.
there is a beautiful garden in front of the hotel. Between,
Between.
the library is between the school and the park. Next to,
Next to.
she sat next to her best friend. Into,
Into.
he jumped into the swimming pool. Onto,
Unto.
the cat jumped onto the couch. Through,
Through.
we walked through the tunnel. Around,
Around.
they walked around the lake. Along,
Along.
we enjoyed a walk along the beach. Toward,
Toward.
she ran toward the bus stop. Away from,
Away from.
the children ran away from the waves. Past,
Past.
I walked past the bakery on my way home.